people, my name is Barbie, and well, here's my Harry Potter toy collection. We have everybody I could collect. Oops, sorry about that. Harry, Ron, Luna, Hermione, and Ron's brother, Ginny. Let's review Hogwarts. Well, if you're a huge Harry Potter fan, like me, you would know the Great Hall. You know, where people eat, get sorted, stuff like that. Well, let me just get this is chicken. Just chicken. And I hope they come up with like more like food and Great Hall items. And a lot of people can fit on here. I think like 3. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 can fit. Now, all of them are going to disappear. And 1, 2. Whoa! Whoa! How did that happen? Anyway, that's the Great Hall. Where's the freaking camera? Next. Okay, this is Harry's room. And, you know, and then Gryffindor's his house. Then a desk, and Hogwarts is the school he goes to. And his bed. I believe 2 people can fit on it, I think. Yes, 2 people are able to fit on it. So, you have to have a chair when you're doing your work, so there's just put this over to the side. Here is Luna's room. So, her chair is right here. That's her chair. And her bed is right here. Oopsie! Oh God! Sorry about the dragons. And this is her bed. Only one person can fit on it, which is her. Next room, please. This is Hermione's room, and it's 3 people. It's a 3-person bed. Only 3 people can fit on it. It's kind of weird. I know. She has a book because she loves to read and she loves to get good grades. She feels good in Hogwarts because she loves Hogwarts. She loves her house. Oh, house. Hogwarts is in a house. Okay, it's kind of... Okay, next room. This is the last one. It's potions class, as you can see. Sorry. Yep, the teacher is Professor Snape. Chair. It is the Great Hall table because I couldn't find the other table and I'm so mad. But yep, that's Hogwarts. Let me see if I can put it together.